Hi everyone, my name is Julie and I'm the CEO of Amino Labs. And today we want to welcome you to the future of consumer biotech with the Amino Personal Biolab, which you can see in the corner. And today you'll really realize, after hearing all the demos and hopefully tasting a few of them, that bioengineering is the technology that's going to shape the next century in the same way that computer science and electrical engineering shaped our last. But right now, the barrier to entry to bioengineering for most people is very high. You need to have a lot of large equipment. This equipment is very expensive, so most schools and individuals can't afford it. And also, it's made for experts. You need to be an expert to understand how to use it, but also to understand what you can make with it. And so what we've done is we've miniaturized all this equipment, all the science, all the electronics, into a compact, affordable, playful, and powerful personal biolab. This is easy enough for your kids to understand how to use, but it's powerful enough and sophisticated enough that a professional scientist will get new insight into his research by using it. Nope. The reason we're focusing on making science accessible to non-scientists is that most of us aren't scientists. And I'm a designer, and the first time I encountered bioengineering, I was amazed by how powerful and impactful it is in our daily life. But I was really, really inspired by what I could start creating right now from it, from gummy bears to pigments to cosmetics. And that was amazing. And so we've built a team of engineers, and together we've actually developed a whole ecosystem that allows you to bioengineering out of the lab. It's suitable for schools, but it's fun enough to be used at home. And this is the ecosystem. And so you've got the hardware platform, which teaches you how to bioengineer with a set of on-screen instructions and color-coded system. This allows you to assemble all the DNA you need to grow a bioengineered product. You grow the bioengineered product into here, and you use our web app or on-screen data to know how to take care of it as you go forward. You know what to do because we have application-based packets. It has all the ingredients, all the cells, all the DNA you need to be able to bioengineer out of a lab. And so right now, this is the data from a few hours ago for the cherry amino, which is this guy. You can see that was 107 billion population. If you all go to amino.bio/cherry, you can see the data streaming live. We also have walnut in the corner that's giving us a different color. And right now, I checked before coming on stage, I think it's 220 billion little bacteria is creating for us. What they're creating is actually a new app we're unveiling today called the Amino Artist app. This allows you to grow any color pigments for you to, or your child to paint and draw with. So you can actually use this in your daily life. And it doesn't stop there. Our second app is a glow app, which allows you to put the DNA of a firefly inside the cells and then have a nightlight in your home or office. From there, we're going to team up with bakeries and breweries to bring you yeast that has been engineered with different flavors, different colors, different vitamin content so that you can bake and brew. You can also make cosmetics, medicines, gummy bears, anti-cancer research. And this actually allows us to have a really simple business models where the hardware platform allows us to have high-profit amino apps that we deliver either by subscription, renting, frequent upgrades, as well as hardware add-ons in the future. And the reason we know why the world is ready for bioengineering in the home is because not only have we had great coverage from tech journalists, but also from more mainstream media like the Huffington Post. We've won design awards and UNESCO awards, and we've actually been approached and invited to go to the White House Maker Faire, which means that the government actually supports bioengineering in the home. We have development partners to bring Amino to you quicker in terms of education partners, museums, and fab labs. We have 3 pilot programs running in schools from kindergarten up, which means middle schools, high schools, undergrads, and also homeschooling. We're also been invited to worldwide events, which will be great because we can spread the word of bioengineering. But most importantly, we've actually had some amazing sales. We sold out our Indiegogo campaign, and we've been approached to produce 1,000 amino a quarter for next year for a school district in the US. That's only one district. And we've been approached by the Chinese government to supply all the STEM education hardware for their science club and after-school activities. This validates our go-to-market strategy, which is basically by entering through education, like the personal computer did, we'll make sure that the world is ready to bioengineer in the home before we team up with bakeries and breweries, cosmetics, so on and so forth. And as we do this, right now, we need to meet the high demand of aminos, and that means we're raising 1.5 million so that we can do large-scale manufacturing. So today, you can come and try Amino for yourself. You can see why there's such high demand for it, and also you can start painting with our new app. Thank you.